Hi, I'm just here to show you this topper. It's the Clear topper with a bang. The colour is Almond Frost. It's very pretty, has some beautiful blonde highlights. It is a mono top and it also has a pre-cut lace front. It's 16 inches long and it's human hair. It just feels lovely. I'll show you the sides. And then the back. And just blends really well with my own hair. I love that the bang is not cut short. I love that I can wear it swept to the side, or I can wear it at the front if I want to, or even as like a curtain bang. It's just very versatile. So I will take it off to show you the underneath. There we go. It's 5.5 by 5.5 inches. And that's the pre-cut lace. This is my hair. I have androgenetic alopecia, which I've had for quite a while. I love wearing toppers to cover it. So I'll put it back on just to show you how easy it is. I can literally do my hair in like 10 seconds, which is great because usually my hair is the hardest part of my morning, trying to make it look good. Anyway, that's it. Thanks very much for watching.